Hey there, we're the Highs
Hi guys!
with your Bull Run walking tour right here in Savannah. We are sitting in what is formerly known as Calhoun Square.
Our home square.
We're out in front of the Massey Heritage Center, formerly known as the Massey Day School. It was the very first public school in the state of Georgia. These days, it's a museum dedicated to history and architecture of the city.
Our tour travels down Bull Street, the spine of Savannah. Our 2-hour journey will meander through 5 squares of Spanish moss-covered live oaks, past beautifully restored architecture and almost 300 years of history. We offer semi-private and private walking tours. Come experience Savannah through the local lens as we explore her people, her stories, and her beauty.
Your adventure awaits in the Hostess city this hour. Thank you for choosing the Bull Run walking tour. We'll see you in Savannah.